Hi, I'm the Bitter IT Guy. Today I want to show you how to properly troubleshoot a computer problem. Many times users will report an issue, but the problem they're seeing is actually a symptom of something larger. So you'll want to make sure you narrow down the cause logically. For this tutorial, I'll be using one of my client's personal computers. She's reported having trouble accessing Microsoft Word, so let's take a look. Oh god, Okay, so obviously Joanne's a little unorganized, but that's okay. So first we'll want to try and reproduce the... Wait, is this Windows 7? Why would you put that background on... Never mind, it's not my computer. Totally fine. Okay, so we'll want to try and reproduce the problem. Let's start by launching Word. Okay, where the hell is the icon? Okay, got it. So we'll just double click and... What? Okay, that's weird. I don't know how she would have done that, but not a problem. We'll just delete the faulty shortcut and grab the correct one. So we can just go to... Alright, for some reason the shortcut's gone from the programs list. We'll just have to create our own. We just need to go here, scroll down to WinWord, and right-click on... Why would somebody change this? Okay, well this is probably where the problem originated. The hell? No. No, go away! Oh my god. Alright, so we'll just rename the executable... Oh my god, stop. Why is this even running? Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me.
Good evening, Joanne. How has your day been?
I
What are Frog's favorite tales?
can't do anything.
Crook and Dagger stories. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer, truth.
What is...
Hey, you look like you are trying to kill the S-word. All for the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage. But you look sweet up on the seat of a bicycle built for two.
What the f*** just happened?